remove the filter, cabin filter. You have to work on this plastic. See, you just have to pull it out these 3 hooks, very easy. And there is another one at the end here where it goes in. You just push it in when you put it back. I'm gonna show you when you put it back. And then if you get closer, there is like, let me see if I can show you. Not too much light. It's like a clip that you push it up and it's gonna slide off. It's very easy. Then you have to remove the filter. That's the most difficult part, because the filter, it's inside and there's not too much space. So what you have to do, you have to compress it a little bit, because if not, the end is not gonna come out. The same when you put it back in. See that? That's the old one. So you have to put it in like this, the arrow this way, and I'm gonna try to go like this, because you know the hole is it's not easy to show, but where it starts is there. So you have to make it go inside like this and then push it up the top and then push it in all the way like that. And then little by little it's gonna go inside right there. Just make sure it's all in. I'm gonna try to take a picture to show you. So little by little, if you push it, it's gonna go in all the way. Now I have to move the camera. I cannot go in with my hand. But basically, this guy is all in. Okay, now it's all in. You stick your finger inside, you push it, then you can feel. So then you have to put this guy bottom and top. So it's just gonna go in like that. Looking for where the hole is. You go up, up, up. Till you're gonna feel that it goes inside. Somewhere. It's not really in a nice position, but anyway. No, it didn't go yet. So you see, like that. And then this little clip has to go in here like that. You have to be small to get in. Oh no, sorry. It has to be this side, like this. This one has to go clip. That's why I was not going inside. See, it's going, we made an error, so. Okay, so now it's much easier because you feel that goes inside. And then click. You can touch all the way to the top. I know with my left, it's easier to go in. You can see that also the top is in. See, you can feel it. Okay, see, now that I put it the correct way, we went in 2 seconds. The time the camera fell, I was able to pull the clip out. See? So, I'm gonna insert the clip first here. At least it's gonna be much easier. No, it's gonna be mission impossible. And then you go there, you clip it in. This is really small for me, I cannot access. Okay, now I went in, I can feel at this point, clip, clip, clip. So there's one there, and 3 here. That's it, I made it.